Every country around the world is known for one or two specific dishes. Few are quite as famous as that of the Swiss fondue. Fondue may sound fancy, but it's all about the simple joy of sharing food with friends and family. So grab your favourite dipper and let's get started. First things first, what is fondue? Well, it's a Swiss culinary tradition that involves melting cheese, chocolate, or other delicious concoctions into a communal pot. But it's not just about the food, it's about the experience. Imagine a pot of gooey, melted cheese mixed with white wine, garlic, and a touch of nutmeg. Dip in pieces of bread, veggies, or even fruits. The choice is yours. And then we have pure, cheesy bliss. And then we have melted chocolate. A splash of cream, a hint of vanilla create a velvety pool of sweetness. Dip in marshmallows, strawberries, or even cubes of cake, and there we have a dessert dream come true. But fondue isn't just about cheese and chocolate. There's also fondue bourguignon, where you cook bite-sized pieces of meat in hot oil right at your table. It's a sizzling adventure for your taste buds. Now you might be wondering, what exactly should I dip? Well, the options are, as you may expect, endless, from chunks of crusty bread to crispy potato tots, and from juicy steak bites to succulent shrimp. You can get as creative as your mind can take you. One of the best things about fondue is that it encourages conversation and connection. You're gathered around a bubbling pot, chatting, laughing, and reaching for the next delicious dip. It's a bonding experience like no other. Fondue is also great for special occasions, whether it's a romantic date night or a festive holiday gathering. It adds a touch of elegance and fun to any event. Plus, it's a great way of getting that Instagram-worthy shot. If you'd like to hear us talk about more areas of culinary greatness, community, and far more, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.